Hi dear student, how are you? Are you okay? In this video we are come back to review two lessons, exponent form and evaluating power, student. Because we have more time, so review two lessons in this video. Exponent form, how can we review exponent form? What do we mean that? It means we have 1000, for example. What do you mean that? It means 10, 3 factors, 10 times 10 times 10, 3 times repeated because you have 3 0. And if we write it by exponent form, how can I write? We have the base with 10, and because we repeated 3 times 1, 2, 3, we have exponent 3, and the base is 10, student, and this shape is called exponent form, student. And we have more example. I write 10,000 in exponent form. How can I write 10,000 in exponent form? It means because you have 4 zeros, we have 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 repeated 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you write the exponent, we have 4 in the exponent. And if we have, for example, I say find the values of the exponent form. We have the 5th power of 10, and there's we say the 4th power of 10, student. In this we say the 3rd power of 10, students. And I say find the value of the 5th power of 10. It means because we have 5, we repeated for the factors repeated 5 times. 10 times 10, 2 times 10, 3 times 10 equal to 4 times, and times 10 equal to we have repeated 5 times, and 10 times 10 equal to 100, times 10 equal to 1000, times 10 equal to 10,000, and times 10 equal to 100,000, student. And if we have example C, say find the values of n, it means if you have 10 times 10 times 10 equal to what? What is the value of n, student? There we have how many times repeated? 1, 2, 3. So what is the value of n there, student? Equal to 3, because repeated 3 times. I don't write, but you can write it equal to the n's. Write down n equal to 3. And there we have 10 times 10 times 10 times n. This is n, student, equal to the 4th power of 10. What do you mean that? Because we have 1, 2, 3, and there we have 4 times. So this value of n equal to 10. The example is so important, student. And now we review the evaluate power, the same, but change it to 10 to any numbers in the base, student. If example say find the values of we have the 3rd power of 7. Because we have 3rd, it means repeated 3 times. 7 repeated times 7 times 10, 7 times 7 times 7, it means repeated 3 times. And 7 times 7 equal to 49. We start from multiply or started from left hand, student, because 7 times 7 equal to 49. 49 times 7 equal to 343. Example B, we have the 4th power of 3 equal to what? Equal to 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 4 times repeated because the exponent is the power or exponent the same, equal to 4. And 3 times 3 equal to 9. 3 times 3 equal to 9. 9 times 9 equal to 81. And example C, we have the 2nd power of 8. It means 8 times 8, and repeated 2 times equal to 64. And in practices we have write the equal factors, because we have the 3rd power of 6 equal to 3 times 6 times 3, 6 times 6, 3 times repeated. And the 3rd power of 8, it means 8 times 8 times 8, 3 times repeated. And we have factors. I say write down the exponent form, because repeated 3 times 9 times 9 times 9 repeated 3 times. We have the 3rd power of 9 because repeated 3 times. I hope you are understand. I think that's enough for this lesson. That's so easy. I hope you are review, because this 2 lessons also important. For example, all lessons important, but I hope you are review all lessons, students. Goodbye, students. Goodbye.